world around you. Look around you, the phone in your pocket, the Wi-Fi router in your room, the television on your wall, the smartwatch on your wrist, the traffic lights outside, the elevator in a building, the robot in a factory, the satellites orbiting Earth. Every one of these systems is powered by electronics, not magic, not mystery, electronics. Millions of components, millions of decisions, millions of tiny electrical signals working together. But here's the amazing part. Every complex electronic system starts with a few simple principles. The same principles behind a tiny LED are the principles behind a smartphone. The same principles behind a simple switch are the principles behind a robot. The same principles behind a beginner circuit are the principles behind advanced engineering systems. And if you learn those principles properly, you can build almost anything. Welcome to VMN Labs, a place where we learn electronics like engineers, not by memorizing information, not by copying projects, but by understanding how systems work. When most people start learning electronics, they're excited. They buy a breadboard, they buy an Arduino, they watch tutorials, they search YouTube, they read articles, and for a while everything feels exciting. But then something happens. The confusion begins. One video teaches Arduino, another teaches ESP32, another teaches sensors, another teaches robotics, another teaches communication protocols, another teaches power electronics. Suddenly there are hundreds of topics, thousands of tutorials, thousands of projects, and no clear path. Many people learn how to follow instructions. Very few learn how to think like engineers. That's the problem, and that's the reason VMN Labs exist. Because learning electronics should not feel like wandering through a maze. It should feel like following a roadmap that takes you from beginner to engineer. Most people don't fail because electronics is difficult. They fail because they learn things in the wrong order. Imagine trying to build a house. Before building the foundation, you start building the roof. That sounds ridiculous. But that's exactly how many people learn electronics. They try to build robots before understanding switches. They try to build IoT devices before understanding circuits. They try to design PCBs before understanding components. They try to write firmware before understanding hardware. And eventually everything becomes overwhelming, not because they're incapable, but because the learning path is broken. At VMN Labs, we're going to fix that. There is a huge misconception about engineering. People think engineers memorize formulas, memorize datasheets, memorize theory, but that's not what makes someone an engineer. Engineers observe, engineers experiment, engineers test ideas, engineers make mistakes, engineers troubleshoot, engineers improve. Engineering is not about knowing everything, it's about figuring things out. And that's the mindset we're going to develop throughout this journey, not just electronics knowledge, engineering thinking. Because technology changes, tools change, platforms change. But problem-solving skills remain valuable forever. At VMN Labs, we follow a simple philosophy: build, break, debug, understand. First we build, then we observe what happens, then we experiment. Sometimes things work, sometimes they don't. Sometimes the LED doesn't turn on, sometimes the sensor behaves strangely. Sometimes the communication fails, sometimes the code crashes, sometimes the PCB doesn't work. And that's okay, because failure is part of engineering. Every mistake teaches something. Every problem reveals a lesson. Every debugging session develops intuition. The goal isn't to avoid mistakes. The goal is to learn from them, because that's how real engineers grow. This channel follows a structured learning path. We'll begin with the simplest possible circuit, a battery, a resistor, and an LED. Then we'll learn voltage, current, resistance, power, breadboards, measurements, multimeters, capacitors, inductors, diodes, transistors, MOSFETs, operational amplifiers, analog electronics, digital electronics, logic gates, flip-flops, microcontrollers, Arduino, ESP32, STM32, communication protocols, UART, SPI, I2C, CAN, PCB design, power electronics, embedded systems, IoT systems, automation, robotics, system architecture, professional engineering workflows. Every lesson builds on the previous lesson. Nothing is random. Everything is connected. One of the most powerful ways to learn engineering is by watching simple ideas grow. Imagine starting with a single LED. At first, it's just a light. Then we add a resistor, then a switch, and then a transistor, then a sensor, then a microcontroller, then wireless communication, then a custom PCB, then a cloud dashboard. Eventually, that simple LED becomes a complete connected product. That's exactly how real engineering works. Complex systems are built from simple building blocks, and throughout this channel you'll see that transformation happen again and again. As your skills grow, you'll build projects that become more capable over time. Sensor systems, automation systems, embedded devices, wireless systems, monitoring systems, IoT devices, robotics projects, custom PCBs, real engineering prototypes. Not just projects that work, projects that you understand, because understanding is what gives you the power to create your own ideas. Many people think electronics requires an expensive laboratory. It doesn't. You don't need thousands of dollars worth of equipment. You don't need years of experience. You don't need a university degree to begin. To start this journey, you only need curiosity, patience, a few components, and the willingness to learn. That's enough. Every engineer started somewhere. Every expert was once a beginner. Every professional once built their first circuit, and your first circuit is closer than you think. This channel is for beginners, students, makers, hobbyists, future engineers, and anyone curious about how technology works. If that's you, you're in the right place. In the next lesson, we'll build our very first working electronic circuit, a battery, a resistor, an LED. Simple, but hidden inside that circuit are the same principles that power modern electronic systems, and that will be your first step toward understanding electronics. This isn't just another electronics channel. This is a journey, a roadmap, a laboratory, and a place to grow. Welcome to VMN Labs. Learn electronics like an engineer. Build, break, debug, understand, and I'll see you in the first lesson.